Hello, I'm Jordan Jensen from Engage Building Products, and I'm here to walk you through a hassle-free installation of FastPlank products. We know you're looking for quick answers, so let's get started. First, we'd like to highlight how few tools you need for this installation. What you see on the screen is all you require. And as always, we recommend the appropriate use of PPE. Most of our trims come in a two-piece design with a back plate and a top cap that clicks into it. Each trim also has a designed fastener line to assist you in the proper placement of the fasteners. Inside and outside corner trims come pre-finished on both sides, which means that you can use the same exact trim for both the inside corner and the outside corner by simply reversing the order of the installation. Lastly, our system also features plank clips, which serve two essential purposes. The first is to enable the planks to expand or contract, which prevents issues like buckling and bowing. The second is to keep the plank off the wall, establishing a built-in rain screen without needing extra furring strips. So now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to preparing our wall.